Hi, my name is Robert Weiss. I'm with SAFTRON Pool Rails and Railings. Our product that we make is a high-impact polymer over metal reinforced. It's no bonding, no grounding. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Won't rust, won't corrode. Everything we make is made to last. Our ladders are made out of the same material, but our steps are made out of high-impact polypropylene instead of ABS, so there's no disintegration, made to last 25 years. We have a new designer rail that we did for pools to upgrade it, get away from the Snoopy look that's a 100-year-old antiquated rail. Get it with a straight back leg and the front a little extended, so as you get out of the pool you don't have any risk of hitting your head or your eyes. We make neat little things like jigs with levelers and automatic anchor socket covers to where when you winterize you come right out, it's all nice and clean. But the feature that we want to promote this year is the Jimmy Bench. It's for new or existing ladders, both in stainless or in vinyl. You simply loosen the anchor box sockets on the back, remove the bolts, widen it out a little bit, take out your steps, drop your bench in there, put in your ladder bolts, the new ladder bolts that we'll give with it that are a little bit longer to grab it. We have plugs to cover the existing holes. And one of the keys here are the bumpers. The bumpers are made to swivel, so they get the new angle of the ladder rails. And what it does is it converts your standard ladder, whether existing or new, metal or vinyl, into a swim out. And it meets the egress codes of a swim out. And as you can see it by the video, it takes a couple large people or a 400-pound load. And if you don't want it 5 or 6 or 10 years later, just put it back, put your steps on, and you have your ladder back. We also have things like snap-on trays where you can put a cocktail or a drink and a sandwich and enjoy your summer. Thank you for your attention.